Every real estate investor who plans to sell property faces the same challenge. How do you reinvest without losing wealth to taxes? Dealing with tax deferral should never feel like solving a mystery, which is why Claud Catuna built City Capital 1031 to facilitate 1031 exchange services with the professional expertise and precision of an attorney instead of the indifference of an assembly line. Whether you are divesting from high cost of operation assets, expanding into growing markets, or looking to preserve your wealth for the next generation, our boutique model prioritizes the commitment to personal customer service. By handling 1031 exchange services with personal legal scrutiny, we remove the friction of corporate bureaucracy to ensure you successfully meet your reinvestment goals while providing absolute security of your exchange funds that is expected by members of the Federation of Exchange Accommodators. Protecting your legacy means choosing a qualified intermediary who treats your capital and tax needs with the highest care. Receive legal guidance on your 1031 exchange services from experts who are truly invested in your future. Visit cc1031.com or call 844-321-1031.